MCS gomo to kalo paro makamonya kwa mga juangin prangwen kod aberio. Wadhi mbele, duol makedne mibadhi pachoka EACC okmor kod okang mar jod bura mar Senate matimo lokruok e paro mar chik mang'iyo dwach ng'ato owuon mano motis ni Conflict of Interest Bill 2023 magiwacho ni biro kelo midhiero e lweny mar tieko mibadhi. Jawachilo duol no Eric Ngumbi oyango ni kadiponi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto keto kogno e chikno to biro miyo jotij sirikal orak e dongruoge sirikal kod koso chulo osuru kendo kelo midhiero ne duol mar kedo gi mibadhi EACC e kedo gi mibadhi e pacho kae.
On behalf of the family that the mother of this home, I want to just bring greetings from
the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission continues to oppose the amendments that were introduced to the Conflict of Interest Bill by the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. This is a proposed legislation that concerns county governments as well, and that is the reason why the Conflict of Interest Bill was sent to the Senate by the National Assembly for consideration. And when the bill went there, the Senate mutilated that bill and introduced several provisions that are going to cripple the fight against corruption if the bill is proposed in the manner suggested. That bill has now been taken back to the National Assembly for consideration, and the EACC has already written to the National Assembly cautioning that the amendments that were introduced by the Senate are inimical to public accountability, and they are going to negate the gains that the country has gained so far in the fight against corruption.